Hey, how's it going, guys? John here, Dark Star Overland with my 2007 Lexus GX470. Just wanted to do a little build video for a while now, and things are about to change on it, so I just wanted to do a little update before everything changes. It's currently wrapped in Avery satin khaki green, along with Raptor liner around the bottom. We are running a Federal Explorer RT tire. It's a 35 on Icon alloys. We are also running a Icon billet upper control arm with the delta joint in the hubs. Fox 2.5 with the DSC adjustments. It's a little dirty in here, and I had to cut a bunch to fit 35 in there. Alright, we got the Squadron Pro ditch lights, the JW off-road roof rack with the Baja S2s on top, the whale visors, just add that little detail to it, the LRD logo from Wrap Armor in Anaheim, California. As they come around to the back, we have the JW off-road tire carrier, and look at the gap between the rear tire. It fits, the 35 barely fits, but it doesn't even touch the rear bumper. I'm trying to get it on video, but got the Amazon snorkel up front. The template's a little rough. You just got to work with it a little bit, and then you'll get it to line right up. I'll post another video on how we got the template to match up. Alright, painted the grille satin black in the front. And the rear Fox 2.5 setup with, again, the DSCs in the rear. And that's about it for the outside. Let's move on to the inside. Alright, starting at the rear of the truck, I have my Lexus saggy Annette still. That's all original. Holds my 2 first aid kits. I definitely got to do something about that net soon. This is my custom built drawer system I did. Nothing crazy. Just holds my 2 camping chairs, Coleman grill underneath, and a skillet underneath that. Cutting board, knives, utensils, anything I might need, sauce packs, cooking oil. Let's see what else I got in there. Sunblock, bug spray, and in the very back I just got propane, tongs, just some cooking, a pot, shot glasses. Keep a hammock back there too. It's fun to set up a hammock in the woods. Let's see, I got my JW fridge slide with my Iceco 65 fridge. I love this thing. Thing is a game changer. Don't have to have your food get all soggy from the ice. It's got a freezer also. Bring ice cream with you on the trip. It's always fun when you're out in Death Valley. It's 100 degrees and you bust out ice cream, so it's a nice refreshing thing. Just have a little accessory pack right here. USB 12 volt, get the voltage right there, and then I also put in a little switch panel right here, so when I put my rooftop tent on, I already have it all pre-wired to run power to the tent. And that's about it for the back. We'll move on to what I have done in the cockpit. So alright, as I move on to the inside of the GX, I have my cell phone mounted on a little magnetic mount. Above that I have my iPad mini that I use for Gaia maps on the trim, attached to a RAM mount. I took out the passenger side air vent, put a little metal plate and a RAM ball, and that's where I got the RAM mount accessories to attach to the iPad mini. On top of that I have my little Amazon light controller. Down below I always bring my Baofeng radio, and my Blue Sea Systems dual battery controller is right here. Since I took out the air ride, I had that empty void, and this was the perfect mount for it. I'm sorry, man, I totally forget who makes the little 3D printed mount for that. I'll put his name in the comment section below. And that's about it for the inside of the truck. And I totally forgot about my Beast Fab rock sliders. check them out. They're out in Ontario. These things have been awesome. I've had them on the truck for the past 2 years, and they've held up great. They've definitely taken some big rocks. So if you got any comments, put them in the comment section below. Any questions, let me know. Please like, subscribe, and I'll have the next video up probably in a few months with all the new upgrades coming along. So thanks guys, thanks for watching.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.